util in Apache Ant. Util as an example, we can consider package org.apache.tools.and.util. Now we are moving into other miscellaneous util components. As an example, we are considering file utils class. This class also encapsulates methods which allow files to be referred to using abstract path names which are translated to native system file paths at runtime, as well as copying files or setting their last modification time. We can consider this as an example of the usage of file utils. Here you can see a get file utils method to retrieve the file utils, which is shared by all users of this method. Here remove leading path. This method uses normalize java.lang.string under the covers and does not resolve symbolic link. Here you can see a figure out relative path of path in file if possible here. As an example 2, we can consider class base64 converter. Base64 encoding of a string or an array of bytes based on RFC 1421. This is in the package org.apache.tools.and.util. As example 3, we can consider interface dependency analyzer. A dependency analyzer analyzes dependencies between Java classes to determine the minimal set of classes which are required by a set of root classes. Different implementation of this interface can use different strategies and libraries to determine the required set. For example, some analyzers will use class files while others might use source files. Analyzer specific configuration is catered for through a generic configure method. This is in the package org.apache.tools.and.util.depend. Here is class facade task helper. Helper class for facade implementations encapsulates treatments of explicit implementation choices, magic properties, and implementation specific command line arguments. This is in the package org.apache.tools.and.util.facade. Class proxy diagnostist. This class exists to create a string that tells diagnostics about the current state of proxy diagnostics. It does this in its two-string operator. Java 1.5 plus is needed to compile this class. Its interface class is classic typeless Java. This is in the package org.apache.tools.and.util.java 15. Class Java script runner. This class is used to run scripts using JSR 223 package. This is in the package org.apache.tools.and.util.optional. Now we are focusing on reg exp interface, which represent a regular expression and the operations that can be performed on it. As an example, we can consider this one. Here the substitute method performs a substitution on the regular expression. Here the input the string to substitutes on. Here you can see the argument, a string which define the substitution, and options, the list of options for the match and replace. And here it will return the result of the operation. As an example 2, we can consider package awk.apache.tools.ant.util.regexp. Regexp defines a regular expression for later use with id myregexp. Task regexp regexp represent a regular expression. Here use the regular expression with the id myregexp. As an exception example, we can consider build exception in substitute method in regular exp in regexp interface. This exception occurs on error. As an error example, we can consider this one occurred in worklight application deployment Ant error situation. No supported regular expression matcher found in java.land.class not found exception, and awk.apache.tools.ant.util.regexp.jdk for 14 regexp. Here we can resolve this problem in two ways. One way is an Ant binary package can be installed that is independent of the Linux distribution. The other way is it's not applicable to Red Hat Enterprise Linux that comes with Ant 1.7.1, no to SUSE Linux Enterprise that comes with Ant 1.7.0. The Ant package that comes with the Linux distribution can be configured. Ensure all relevant packages are installed. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.